So I want to give you a demo of how to use MyTradingBuddy if you're trading gold. So what you'll first do is create a new chat, and every chat will have your trading plan tagged with it. When you sign up, you get a default trading plan, and you can edit and adjust from there. And you're just going to choose the instrument. So here, XAUUSD. And what I like to do is have a new tab open here on my browser. And then now you're going to come back and you're going to see that you get a fresh dashboard, and there's going to be the chat name, your trading plan, the trading style. So I do day trading, 5 minutes to 4 hours where I'm in a trade potentially. Instrument, impact news, etc. So how it works is you're sending in images of the chart to the AI, and this AI knows your whole trading plan. It knows how much account capital that you have, risk reward ratio, etc. So what you'll do is simply click on one of the image analysis tool right here, and you're going to take a screenshot and choose the tab that you're viewing. So I'll just do this. I'll share it, come back, and it's capture that, and then you'll push analyze. So now you'll have to wait about 30 seconds to 45 seconds for the AI to look at this image, all the data on the image, and then come up with the best trade idea for that moment. There's multiple different perspectives that you can use. So chart analysis is the default one. I recommend using that first. Then you have trend and structure, SMC, ICT concepts within this one, SMC analysis. Institutional ones here. And then if you want to see potentially what liquidity institutions are going to go after, you can use liquidity grabs, volume, sentiment, crystal ball, setup zones. So they all work the same. You're sending in screenshots to the AI. AI is going to come back with a full breakdown like this. Long, go here, stop loss, how confident the AI was in this trade, entry time, what you need to see. So this is important while, before you execute the trade, or if you do execute the trade, you want to see all this holding. So we have to close above 408. Right now we're struggling a little to get above that 408 for gold. And, risk assessment. So why this trade wouldn't work is if it breaks this. So if it breaks that low, then the bull theme is done. And then you can scroll down. You can read all this if you want. If you don't want to read, you can always ask the AI, exactly what each of them meant. So for example, like what was the support and resistance here? And the AI now has all this within the chat. So you can ask any question that you want. So one more thing is, as you saw when I did this image, it came back with this. This got passed up into the AI overall idea. So if you run like 5 different images, all 5 will be passed up into the AI overall idea. This becomes helpful because like when you run different time frames, so if I did like a 30-minute time frame, well, the Fibonacci layout might change. Some of these indicator values might change, and it's looking like we're holding above 8. So this idea could be pretty good right now to 14. So we'll see if we can get back up there or not. And then you can see like the liquidity map. And so this is just from one liquidity map, order blocks, whatever, fair value gaps, support, resistance. And so then I'll do another one. And this time I'll talk about auto capture. So auto capture works the same way. You're going to share your tab. And now it's going to take 3 images. I did no delay. So if you saw right there for a moment, I'll show you again in a second. No delay means it's going to send one. The AI is going to think through. It's going to come back with a response like this. Then it will, once that's all finished, it will take another screenshot of the tab right here, of this tab. So what you can do, like sometimes I do, is, okay, we're doing a 30-minute right now. AI is thinking through that. Let's change to the 1 hour. And then let's get a 1 hour analysis for the next one. And this just kind of frees up more time. So obviously on the 15-minute, you know, it was looking kind of bullish, going up to that 814. But on the 30-minute, now we're kind of getting, okay, maybe it goes up to 814 or 808, which is like, it's struggling right now to get past. And there might be a short back down to this 47.90, which is a little different idea than this here. Now the stop loss still, you know, it's right there. So it could, you know, show resistance. 408, which it is right now, you can see showing resistance, etc. So, okay, so now you saw 1 hour went right there. And if you don't change the time frame, it's just going to take another screenshot of this. But we'll go down to 5 minutes if we can hurry up and get it before it shoots the next one. So you can see right here, next one in 2 seconds. This is because it's no delay. So once again, auto capture does 3. It will take one, think through, and then once it's all finished and done, it's going to wait 5 seconds and then take a screenshot again of the tab that you're showing right here. So we switch down to 5 minute. Let's see what we get. 1 hour still saying long, so that's good. Obviously, the larger the time frame, like 1 hour ideas probably are stronger than 15-minute ideas, etc. So 5 minute should go. Yep, it did get a 5 minute. And so once again, now we have 1, 2, 3 ideas that have been passed into this overall consensus, still showing, you know, potentially be bullish, go back to 814. Maybe if there's buying above 814, we can go to 850. You can see the liquidity map right here, buy side, sell side, bearish order blocks, etc. So if you ever want to, like, when you're in a trade, you can say, oh, where's order block? Okay, well, there is order block right here for 815, 822. There is an order block at, 14, 15, so maybe it doesn't get there. We'll have to see. 5 minute came back with still a long. We should see buying here in this area if this long idea is still valid, to come back up here to get this 814. But if you remember, there is a order block, a bearish one in this area, so we'll see how it reacts to it. And yeah, so hopefully that made sense. Very simple. You just got to click, take a screenshot, send it in, see what the AI comes back, see what you're seeing on the charts. So right now the 5 minute is looking like it's holding this 0.5 Fibonacci. So it could be a strong case for that going up to 814. Maybe we'll see that in a second. Gold is a little crazy. 815, etc. There is one more feature that's new. It's called live. So up here on the top right hand side, you just got to toggle live and use the Chrome extension. Now we are sharing the tab that we're viewing, and AI within the chat now knows the current price. So you can say, you know, based on the current price and the ideas, what should I do? And AI knows the current price and knows all the ideas, and it can help you think through, you know, what best to do. It will update every 30 seconds for this live streaming area. You know, long, pretty much 807, stop loss 8 here. If it fails there, then this bullish momentum could not happen. So yeah, there's one more feature that you can do is trade mode. So if you want, if you have a hard time following your trading plan, remember every chat has your trading plan tagged with it. And it's super important if you want to follow your trading plan, or you want to ask AI, you know, based on my trading plan, based on the ideas, do you see an alignment? Because the AI knows every single thing. Like, I'll show you in a second. It knows like all the confluence factors. So this is my trading plan I set up. So I know all my confluence factors, etc. So yeah, trade mode, you'll toggle it. This is set up within your trading plan. And like, okay, so I did all this analysis, blah, 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 blah. And then you can say log, I mean, we'll just say that we'll do the long here, 47.90 and 48.14, and we'll go into a trade. Okay, so now we're in a trade right here, and it's a nice little thing, but you can see the live price will be tagged with this, so you can always like kind of know what percent you're up or whatnot. And yeah, so you can ask the AI. The AI now knows you're in this trade, yeah, and it knows the live price, and you can ask like, what should I do right now? Should I exit or keep holding? It knows where your stop loss is. Based on all this data here, it will say, okay, your stop loss is good. Maybe you should move it down more protected and support, whatever. So 405, 805, it's fighting the SMA 200 right now. Yeah, I could go back to that SMA 50 bearish order block. If price hits 810, move to stop loss to entry. So hasn't hit 810 yet, but if it goes to 810, you can move it to break even and all that information. So yeah, hopefully you find this helpful as a trader. The goal of MyTradingBuddy is to allow you to use AI tools to improve your trading skills. One, you can see it does analysis for you, and you can read all this information, and you know, like, okay, this is supply zones, demand zones right here, 90, 95, 805, etc. So now you can confirm with your eyes, and you have this information quickly, and it will help you improve your profitability as a trader. So yeah, one last thing before we go, if you exit a trade, just click on this exit, and let's say, yeah, TP1 hit. Okay, TP1 hit. Okay, now you have trading journals. This should make sense to you if you're a trader. Okay, yeah, I did this, and pretty much it will enter this information right here, exit, blah, 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 and then all this information, how you're feeling for the trade, and then just log it. that will show within your trading journal here. So yeah. If you like this and you want to start using AI to help you day trade, you can sign up at MyTradingBuddy AI right here to get started.